And using this device, it's important. We want the 0 right between the eyes. And what we do is we come up here and we measure how high up these go, okay? So right now, on this hairline, we have a 10 centimeter hairline, which is about as high as we'll do when we're building a hairline design. And I'll come back over here real quick. The reason we went so high is because this patient has extremely aggressive hair loss. He's a class 6, he's going towards a 7, so we don't want to build a 7 centimeter hairline on him. Let's come back around. So these the measurement. With him being Caucasian, the lowest we'd probably go at 7 centimeters, right about here. If we put it at 6, the hair's gonna go straight out at you, and it's always gonna look thin. So we go about 7 centimeters. So if he comes it back, still looks pretty good. And then we don't wanna give him a bowl-shaped hairline, so we use these to come up maybe a half a centimeter higher to a full centimeter higher in these widow's peaks, and give him a Caucasian design. Now, if you were to be Asian, we just follow the 7 and follow these lines all the way across, drop these down and connect the dots. And that is how you use the AHDR. Thank you, Robert.